Okay, this is starting the tractor with any luck.
Maybe.
Okay.
Are you ready to hit it?
No, I'm holding the camera. Yeah, I'll hit it if it you mean if it goes nuts?
We should have a block just for the hell of it. Well, something to turn the air off.
Oh yeah, to throw right over the air?
Yeah.
Just in case things go nuts?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to race it either. We want to just start it and let it idle. Kind of a fast idle.
Okay.
Oh, you got that? You'll cap the air? That'll shut it up. That'll shut it down, right?
Looking easy and keep my hand safe.
Yeah. Because it will suck your skin right off your palm if you're not careful. It will, Connor.
Yeah, right.
Go ahead and crank it up. Hold it. Throttle it up. Halfway.
That is halfway.
Just be ready. Really? That's all it is? You're right. It is only halfway.
I know.
Can you go full throttle or don't we have that anymore?
We don't have that anymore. That's what I was telling you.
Are you kidding me?
We do with the pedal.
Oh, okay. Well, that works.
Okay. So, okay, you ready?
Yep. Your starter's getting warm now.
Yeah, let it cool off for 2 minutes.
All right, why ain't it firing?
It's probably not primed completely.
Oh, it's not primed at all.
Well, I did prime it. I primed it up through here.
Yeah, but I just thought of something, Connor. These injectors have to be cracked.
They probably do, don't they?
They do. Yep. We got to crack the injectors and bleed it out. Or just dump a bunch of ether down it.
No. Not today.
Okay, so you're going to crack them open. Yeah, that's what's going on. You're just going to fuel up to it, yeah.
It doesn't look fuely out of the exhaust yet. It tells me.
Nah, there's a little smoke, but
Not
you're right,
much.
nothing much.
Not serious. This thing's going to be a smoky.
Is it?
Yeah, it's an old diesel.
It's not old. It's from 1970.
It's from 1984.
That's the last year they made it.
I think that's what this is, though.
Oh, you think so?
I think it's the last year run, yeah.
Well, that's fantastical.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready. Let me get in a place where I can see these injectors. There we go. Nice. All right, go ahead. Hold it. Make sure you got full throttle. You want to pump as much as you can.
Okay.
Because I'm not getting any fuel yet. Yep, go ahead. Well, starter burning up over there?
Yeah, a little bit. It's not hot feeling, but it's all a little smoke coming from
I see smoke coming from it.
Yeah.
That can't be good. I'll let this sit for a while. All right, I guess we'll revisit.
Yeah.
We'll come back to it. Because we got to let that starter cool down.
Yep.
That's been cranking. Well, really, I don't think we overdid it.
Not bad, but I don't want to overdo it.
What is the smoke coming off over there?
Got time anyways. It's coming off the solenoid. The solenoid.
The solenoid? That ain't hot. Oh, the connections are. It's probably a crappy solenoid. Oh, I see you got your throttle spring there.
That's temporary.
Darn right that's temporary. You can't leave it like that.
Yeah, I need to make a little bracket this.
So we don't have full throttle because of the limiter up here.
Yeah, which means we built it wrong. We thought we had more throttle throw at the handle than we did.
Yeah. What's that mean?
I think I have a solution. In here, we could weld on to this dog or extend it, and that'll make what used to shut the tractor off our low throttle.
Okay.
Pretty much we'll just...
Oh, you're just going to
rotate
change it
up.
down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to rotate it up.
All right. Well, this is a Cobb job after all. We threw a motor that's from an 870. Same motor as an 870, only this one came out of a dozer into this old 830. Comfort King.
Okay. I
All right.
Just a little bit of fuel in the air, but not much.
Are we going to go to work?
Yeah, we kind of got to go work.
All right, let's go to work. We'll come back. Everything will be cool. We'll try it again.
Crank it some more.
Yep. So you think you got all the pieces to make it run?
Check the oil.
Well, I don't see it on the ground underneath it, so it's probably got oil in it.
It does.
It looks like you don't want
Well, I don't know how much I put in.
What?
Okay.
I know you know how much you put in.
We're cranking it.
Let's see if we get some fuel up here. No fuel yet.
Daddy, keep it to us.
No fuel yet. What's going on? You sure we don't have the throttle down off or something? I don't know. I'm starting to think there should be getting some fuel. Of course, those lines were dry.
Everything was dry.
They don't pump that much fuel.
I know.
Maybe we gotta put some more pieces on.
More pieces on it. All right, what are we thinking?
I think we'll have to crank it some more, probably. That's what I'm thinking. Takes time. You could give it a snort so it really whips over.
Oh my gosh. I don't want to give it none of that time. It might be time to pull this side cover off and make sure things are pumping.
Well,
They could be stuck.
I undid this one.
You got fuel?
Just a touch. Check it out.
Oh. Really? I don't see any fuel.
That was a little wet. I was thinking we'd take the lines off the injection pump down below and see if there's anything there yet.
Yeah, just one of
I'm
them.
a bit nervous.
Oh man, you scraped the paint.
Yeah, sure did. Fuel.
Fuel. Okay.
Air. So
Just a waiting
we're
game.
just not there yet, you know. I got the other battery, but we'll switch it out soon.
You feel? Then we'll start working on it.
Oh, that's my headlight, mister. Whoa! That's my headlight.
I find it for
Thanks,
you.
buddy.
I'm checking if it was working.
Well, there wasn't a whole lot of fuel came out of that, so we're probably a ways down the line. Is this a new... Huh.
I don't think it's atomizing the gas.
No. Looks like... Why are we getting so much diesel smoke? I mean, you ain't got any fuel.
No, but I had like WD-40 in there and stuff in there, you know. Lot of lubricants in there when I was...
It's burning my eyes now. Wow.
I don't think it's that bad.
Well, the rest... Want to rest the starter and come back and try it again.
Let's crank it a few more times.
All right. Ready, Case? Here we go.
No, I'm not.
That's a lot of gas.
Let's blow it.
Be ready to put the choke on it.
Yep.
All that. Got that starter plenty warm enough. We don't got fuel yet, Con.
Nope.
I want to take this side cover off.
Do you really?
I don't know.
I think we had it off once before.
We did?
I think we did.
Not on this, we didn't. So we've got plungers hanging up. That one's down. That's the one we showed a little fuel. But this happens on these. I've seen it before. In fact, that was that dozer did this.
Yeah. So let me crank it. We'll see what it does.
Do it again. Wow, that ain't good. This one back here is not even moving. Oh, it just dropped down. Wait a minute, do that again. Yeah, no pumping. Zero pumping.
That ain't pumping at all.
None of them are pumping.
Now it's down.
Yeah, it's these are hanging up, see?
Okay, so we got to lubricate them.
No.
That did too.
Get
That
them
wasn't
pulled down. So that's our glitch. Well, buddy?
What are you doing?
Well, our fuel pump's hanging up. We don't need a new fuel pump. Did it move it at all? Wow, why did they get so stiff?
Oh. Jumping.
It's not like this thing sat outside.
It's weird, isn't it? Boy, if that's that stiff, it's probably wiped that lobe, right?
No, they just shove up and they don't come back down, so they just stay stuck up. So is that one moving? I see movement.
Well, this is a glitch.
Well, they don't have to be that stuck to that.
See, that moves, but this won't come down.
Right. They have to come down.
So we gotta whack that down, right?
Did it just drop down? No. That means we're working the throttle. It's not moving the rack at all.
Doing nothing.
All right.
Boy, good thing we opened that up.
All right. Well, we're gonna monkey around to see if we can. Maybe what we got to do is pull these off and get some penetrating oil down in there. Mm-hmm. That means this pump's gonna suck. They gotta be so precision.
They do.
Of course, we could pull the plungers out
you
too.
don't want to take them
Might
off.
have to pull them plungers.
Then you gotta get them oriented correctly and all that.
Yep.
That's a glitch, man. I didn't see this one coming. I thought that was just gonna work.
New fuel pump.
We have another fuel pump. We could throw another fuel pump.
It's backwards, isn't it?
No, they're the same. They get geared down one more time. They're the same pump, I believe. But this is the better pump for the dozer.
Yeah. All right, I guess we're gonna revisit this. Okay, this is diesel butchery right here.
Yeah, nobody's gonna be happy about this.
No, we're not happy about
I'm
it.
not happy about it.
You got it down any?
I got this one to go down a little.
Wow, that's crazy.
Sat dry for a while, I'm sure. This one.
You know, that guy was BSing us when he sold us this rotten motor that wasn't this motor that wouldn't turn. I don't remember. Did we get it out of a field or out of his garage?
Out of his garage.
Yeah, it was in his garage. I remember now. Wow. Case.
It did run upside down, don't forget.
Do you think that would seize this though?
I don't know.
All right.
Just broke the retainer.
So we thought we were moving the plungers, but we just broke retainers. We've got this pump all screwed up.
Won't return.
Huh. Those just stuck in there.
That pump's no good. We gotta pull that pump.
Gotta pull the pump, put the other pump on it.
Yep.
Well, that's an ugly story. Well, this turned out way different than we expected. It's not gonna run for an entirely different reason. Bad fuel pump. We tried tapping the plungers down, but it just broke retainers and stuff. You can't get them out. Can't get them down. I guess we're stuck with pulling this pump, changing it. We have another pump we could put out. Ooh, look, he's already got it dug out. Well, you know what you do first? Pull the cover off, see if this one works.
Well, this one I know works because this tractor ran 2 years ago.
Big it is?
Oh, that's right. This was on the tractor originally.
Yeah.
How are we gonna?
I wonder how much different it is, though.
How are we gonna pull it off?
Oh well, we'll put it on, see if it makes it run. If it don't, or if it makes it run like crap, we know we gotta do something different.
I think that the front gears are gonna be changed.
Well, needless to say, that was a huge disappointment. So, I don't know. We got the thing on a back burner now. I keep saying back burner. Things rotate in our little world of working on stuff. But yeah, the 830 is a little bit on the back burner. It's going to take some doing to get that pump off of there, get it timed up right. They're going to have to change the front gear. Not really sure if that pump will work, but I think we'll give it a try just because the new pump's like $1,500. So we want to avoid that. I don't know as it'll be compatible really with the pencil injectors. I don't know what the pop-offs are. Entirely different probably from the old big injector that was on the original 830 motor compared to the injectors that are on the 870 motor that's in it. So we'll figure all that out. We'll have to revisit it at a later date. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We'll see you guys at the next one.